Hello friends, we're back today with 200 drawing prompts. If you've seen Casey the Golden on YouTube, you're familiar with this book. I believe she has the one that's 500 drawing prompts. I had that one earlier on in my YouTube journey, but I don't know where it is. So we went out and we got the 200 drawing prompts. And hopefully this will be inspiring and uplifting and all of the words, because your girl needs some inspiration right now. So without further ado, I've looked at some of these already, but today's prompt is Angel's Wings, which I'm not like totally vibing with, but I have a couple of ideas, so we're gonna work on that and see what we can come up with and then transfer it from here to some other piece of paper. I haven't decided if I'm going to do watercolor or if I'm going to do gouache or if I'm going to do markers. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. In the meantime, thoughts for Angel Wings. My most prominent thought is that I don't want to draw like a million feathers. So I'm thinking more like exaggerated wings, but it's at this point in the process when I'm realizing I don't really know how wings work, but we're gonna ignore that and not worry about it, and we're just gonna go with this option, which is not exactly what I originally envisioned, but makes more sense than this does, and I don't really know how the anatomy of a wing works, and I'm using my phone to film, so I can't look it up. Good job. Sorry, I'm like covering this up, but for some reason, I like cannot see the lines with the extra glow from the like light board. I can see them okay if I have everything covered, but only then, which is an interesting thing that I've never noticed as a problem before. But I've never used like super small paper like this. I've always used like full sheets of paper, so I never would have noticed that this is a problem realistically before. So this is our first prompt, Angel Wings, and I am pretty happy with it. It's got kind of like an Adventure Time vibe, and I'm here for that. I am really happy with how this one turned out, actually. It's not something that I would ordinarily draw, and I guess that's the point, and I'm really happy with it. So excellent, excellent. I will see you in the next one. I don't know what we're going to draw next time, but I'm sure it'll be interesting. And in the meantime, have an excellent day and go make something.